Welcome back to the channel, guys. Your boy Hollywood here, and today we are back in Atlanta, Georgia. Well, technically Marietta, Georgia, and we are back at TaylorMade for another dyno day. There's gonna be a lot of fun today. We're gonna see some good dyno numbers. We're gonna see some badass bikes on the dyno. Hopefully there's gonna be some high horsepower numbers come out. I've seen a lot of turbo jixers. I saw a turbo ZX10R last night. There's a bunch of crazy builds coming out today, so hopefully you guys are going to enjoy this as much as I am. And don't forget that if you guys are not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. It helps me out with the algorithm and boosts my videos out so more people can see my videos and whatnot. Not to mention, all this stuff is for free. You're just supporting the channel. So as you guys can see, I have some more Pinnacle merch on. This is the only place that I'm releasing this stuff. I'm not releasing it on my Instagram stories. I'm not releasing it on like a post or anything. So like, you guys are the first to see. So if you guys like this, follow the @ right here on the screen. I am dropping a clothing line pretty soon. I got a lot of samples coming in, and this is one of the baseball jersey samples. You can't really tell about the imperfections on camera, but it looks really good, and I've already got a lot of good feedback on it. So like I said, this is the only place you're ever going to see it until it actually starts. I start doing promo for it and I actually drop it. So enough talking. I'm actually going to get inside now, and we're going to go look at the bikes around the shop, get them on the dyno, and see what kind of horsepower they're producing. And then also, not only do we have dyno pools, but tomorrow we have an actual race day event. So I'm actually going to try to go out there and get some race footage for you guys. I don't know how well it's going to turn out, but if it doesn't turn out that great, then you won't see the video, but you know what I'm saying. Without further ado, let's get to it. Look who decided to show up.
How you doing?
Look who decided to show up.
He's alive, bro. How you been, man?
Been good, man.
You look good too.
Thank you,
You
man.
lost some weight.
Yeah, about 30 pounds.
Jeez, okay, I see you, man.
I ain't 250 no more.
Hey, man. You know, I go to Chris too. God, get high money. Get high money. Oh my.
So I didn't get as much footage as I would liked, but I think it's because not a lot of bikes signed up to get on the dyno. So what we're about to do now, I gotta go get gas, and then we're gonna head over to the race spot. It's already got shut down twice already, so we don't know if we can go to that spot. So if that spot's shut down already, then we're gonna go to another spot. I think I'm probably gonna beat everybody there. So I will catch you guys over at the race spot. Thought I was gonna be the first one at the race spot, but here they come right behind me right now. Another H2, God dog, S1K. Oh yeah, it's gonna be a good race day. As you guys can see, this is literally like a roll racing heaven. Like, you got every single roll race bike out here, all racing and whatnot. Got Mr. King Moto himself. Got a bunch of race bikes. But yeah, we're gonna be back out here tomorrow. There was a lot more people out here, but unfortunately, a cop showed up over there, did a little U-turn, cut his lights on, then everybody starts scattering like rotating. Alright, so that's going to conclude our time at the race spot. If you guys enjoyed that, let me know, because I am coming back out here tomorrow to make a dedicated race video, and I'm going to try to get my Action 5 on the back of someone's bike maybe, and to get some footage of that. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, but right now we're about to head over to Solar Slice. They have a bike night out there apparently, and apparently they're going to watch the game, like the NBA Finals game at Solar Slice. So without further ado, let's head over to Solar Slice, because we got about a 45-minute drive. So yeah, I'll catch you guys over at Solar Slice. Here at Solar Slice, King Moto had 17 slices of pizza, and And he
Why
killed,
you gonna put my business out
he
like
killed
that?
my whole box of pizza. No, I'm just playing.
That's crazy.
Alright, so I actually got caught up in like talking and everything and just hanging out at the Solar Slice. I didn't really film a whole lot, so unfortunately I did not get to film any of the bikes. Cause I mean, there was some of the same bikes that I saw at the meet, so I didn't think I'd be kind of interested in putting the video, but you know, it is what it is. So if you guys enjoy that video, hit the like button, subscribe, share. Like I said, when you hit the like button, you subscribe to the channel. It actually supports the channel more than you think. It actually helps my videos get pushed out to the algorithm. And then you're also not just supporting me, but you know, you're supporting my dreams, you're supporting everything that I'm doing and putting into these videos for you guys. So I just want to say thank you if you have subscribed already. And like I said, this new merch is dropping soon, so hopefully you guys can get some of this shit. This shit's fucking fire. Everybody said they loved it. So this is just a sample. So just imagine what the final design is going to be, what the final actual piece is going to be. But yeah, without further ado, enough yapping for this vlog. Finally, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Don't forget to ride safe, keep chasing greatness, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.